Let's read this book. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Williams. In Elephant and Piggy books. Gerald! That's his best friend. What do you want to do today? Piggy said to Gerald. I want to, yes? What? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Sniff. Are you okay? Piggy said to Gerald. I don't know. Choo! I cannot stop a sniff. Choo! Sneezing. Look at Piggy. Oh no, Carol said. What if pigs make me sneeze? Carol is like, Look at Carol. Choo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Piggy said. Sorry, Carol said. But if pig do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends.
We cannot be
Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. Gerald said, it is too late. Goodbye, Carol. Cat look at Carol like, Sniffing. Are you okay, Carol? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. Say Alhamdulillah. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Great. Now Cat make me sneeze too. He's crying. Look
Now
at
have
him.
a thud.
Thud. He dropped down and he's crying. Carol is crying. I don't think pigs make you sneeze. I don't think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
You see?
A cold?
Cold.
You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Carol is so excited. Carol can be with his friend. Piggy, Piggy, great news! I have a cold.
Good
Good for you.